So this is episode 2, dismantling the car. It came with the interior already removed, which made life a lot easier. But underneath you can see it's showing signs of both its age and having sat around in a garage for a long time. Lots of surface rust. The underseal is pulling away, and as it turns out, it's hiding a lot of nasties. Inside the boot is fairly good, which is ideal because we can use it to get a colour match on the exact colour for the spray paint. Here we are, engine out with the front subframe that it sits on as well. Rear lights and rear bumper have been removed already. This is the engine out from the side, so that's all ready for checking and, as it turns out, strip and rebuild. Under the front is much the same story, so lots of underseal, lots of rust, lots of accumulated gunk from the years that it was actually running. You can see rust here obviously from the top view under the bonnet with the engine and subframe removed. Only one bolt failed to come out, which was nice. I had to cut this one on a rear trailing arm, but other than that it was very straightforward. So here, rear axle out as well. That will be checked over and shot blasted and repainted to make sure it all looks good when we get to the rebuild stage. The wheel arches, each of the wheel arches is lined with gunk, and there's every chance that later on we'll see the extent of the damage that this is all hiding, but even here you can see holes through to daylight in the wheel arches, and of course the old underseal is not good, so we're going to get all of this shot blasted off to start with, and then we can carry out the repairs underneath the car according to where we find the damage. And then the visual rust that you see here, for instance, around the top of the wheel arch, that will all be dealt with in later videos, probably from around the 99-100 mark, I suspect. But keep watching and you'll see.